Want to cancel your LinkedIn Sales Navigator Core subscription but not sure how to do this? In this video, I will show you the exact steps to cancel LinkedIn Sales Navigator Core. So no confusion, no hidden steps. Simply you just need to open your LinkedIn profile, and there is two methods. You can also unsubscribe from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and from your profile you can also do this. Simply you just need to click on premium features. And after this you just need to click on manage your subscription. And from here you can also switch plans. If you want to buy Sales Navigator Advanced, from here you can do this. And if you want to cancel, from here you just need to click on cancel subscription. And now from here you need to click on continue to cancel. So in this way you can cancel your Sales Navigator Core. Another method is simply you just need to open your Sales Navigator, and after this you just need to click on Sales Navigator icon, your pictures, and from here you just need to click on settings. And from here you just need to click on manage your billing settings. After this you just need to click on Sales Navigator Core. And if you have already some other premium, if you want to unsubscribe from here, you can also do this one. So if you want to unsubscribe LinkedIn Sales Navigator Core, you just need to click on Sales Navigator Core. And after this you just need to click on cancel subscription. So hope you understand how to unsubscribe or cancel Sales Navigator Core. If you have any question related to this, then I am available at. Thank you for watching this video.